Wait.
Hello, this is Mike. I am the host of the broadcast we're going to have today of the Burping contest. Here is a backstage interview with our first contestant, Nico Granteri.
I'll be the first contestant for this.
Talk louder.
This burp test we are holding. I think I have high hopes for this. The pop I think I might be using is either cherry cola, lemon lime, or root beer. Root beer is one of my favorites, but I don't know how it's gonna do.
Louder.
I've moved states many times. If you look at the episode of Drake and Josh, I've been on one of those episodes, I swear. And yeah, so I'm competing with this guy, you know. I think I have good chance. You know what? If I win, then it's just gonna be a good day. Thanks for having me. Bye.
Now, the next contestant,
Wait.
Chris. Here he is.
Wait.
Alright, so I'm Chris, you know, second contestant. First to worst, second to best, you know.
Louder.
I am gonna be using cola. No offense to the other pops, like them all. And Nick, no offense, but you suck. Yeah. About my life. I like sports, yep. I like Pokemon a lot. That's a good one. Yu-Gi-Oh, not a big fan. No. I like rap, hip-hop, you know. Well, good luck to me, not Nico. Have a good show, cause, you know, I'm out.
Well, that was interesting. Now that we're done beating the contestants, in a few minutes we will start the contest. Until further instructions, here's an entertainer.
I'm pretend juggling.
Go back.
Hello. No one likes you. Go home.
Say something.
You know what? Here to all the fans who don't want me to win. Suck it.
Oh, fuck you.
No, cola. Yeah.
Get him off the stage.
Get the pop.
If you think I'm so cool, type in 1 on your comment list. If you think the other kid's cool, then you're gay, and don't say and put number 3, because third's the third. You get it?
No. First the worst, second the best.
Fine, put. Okay, we will be back after these important messages. Now put music. Okay, now keep on.
Okay.
Wait. Why are you going so close to the damn camera?
The contestants will now come around and go and get their pop to chug it and then have the burping contest. There was Nick, and here is Chris.
Second the best, yeah. Way to roll.
Either way, it works. So you'll judge it.
You know,
Go.
Okay, and
I may not be a good one.
Here's Nick. Say here's Nick.
Here's Nico.
Wait, do we get one chance at the burp or two tries?
One second.
Okay, first burp count.
Yeah, first count.
This is cherry cola.
Get whatever you want.
I want cola.
We don't have cola. And there you have it, folks. Okay. Okay, let's see what Chris can bring.
Chris has cancer.
It's my last interview. I just broke the tab.
Move, Michael. You're in the shadow.
Yo, in my shadow, yo.
Disqualification right here.
I can't have this loser next to me.
Hell.
Let's take you off, sorry, sir.
Okay, I'm back.
Well.
No,
There you have
no.
Fine, he can get retried, but since no one heard that burp. No one ever will hear that burp.
Maybe if you hold the microphone up to me.
Well,
It doesn't even work.
Say
well,
Say what? Come on, do it.
you're done? Time?
Backwash.
Hurry up! We're waiting.
It took me
the
like
whole
5
crowd is waiting here.
Oh my god.
And there you have their entrance.
Okay.
I've had
Now
better-
let's go talk to the judges.
Let's talk to the judges.
I've had better. Sorry for that.
Here's the judge.
Honestly, I'm pretty sure Nick was pretty good, I gotta say, but then Chris just hit me in the butt, so it's okay there. Okay, probably can call me here, yeah. Probably have to go with Nick this time.
Yeah!
Nick gets my vote.
Woo! I get an interview, a speech. I get a speech.
Wait.
Hey,
Hey.
bitch.
Hey.
Qualification.
And my vote also goes towards Nick. Not because Chris is gay. Yes, everyone knows Chris. Everyone knows Chris is gay, and he's also a faggot. But I vote for Nick because he had the loudest and longest.
Okay,
Here's
well.
Nick's speech.
Wait, put my music on!
Idiota.
This is the pop that got me. Here's his speech. I promote rape, and all you people who think rape is wrong go to hell. And, look at the loser right here. You guys know what you're well, this is my birth contest. So, here's the host.
Holy shit!
Too bad he lost.
Yeah, too bad. Yeah, that I would have gave him a vote because that was his entry. Well, that concludes our contest today.
No, I mean
See you next time.
Wait, what about my speech?
Cast your vote who you think.
And
What about my speech, yo?
there's no speech for you. You suck.
Wait.
Well,
cast your vote who you think.
now,
type in 1 for Nick and type.
yeah, type in 1 for Nick
For the
and 2 for the loser.
On the comment.
actually
on the
no,
contest.
we never figured out.
Comment.
On the content.
Comment.
Okay. And that's it for our broadcast today.
We never figured out who the winner was.
Yes.
It is the viewer's choice. Now, would
So
you
far we
prefer?
have no viewers.
Would you prefer this lovely guy right here, or this whatever you want?
It was right here.